National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Talladega County in east central Alabama, southeastern Shelby County in central Alabama, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Columbiana, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Columbiana. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Silicaga, Childersburg, Columbiana, Wilsonville, Talladega Springs, Harpersville, Fayetteville, Sycamore, Lay Lake, Shelby, Silicaga Municipal Airport, Beeswax Creek Park, Alabama 4-H Center, Shelby Shores, Cedar Creek, Highway 145 and County Road 46, Kelly Branch, Varnums, Gastonstein Plant and Mignon. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.